Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today's video is just a quick update about the channel and a quick declutter and organize video. So let's dive right in. So I'm going to focus on my son's toys. They're just a little bit everywhere and they're driving me crazy, so I'm just going to organize them, especially the puzzles. So that's what I'm going to mainly focus on, and their cars. So this video is just mainly me showing you about two days. I did 2 days of decluttering certain areas in my home that I felt needed the attention and I had the energy for because sometimes I really don't have the energy to do all of that. As I mentioned previously, I now have two children, a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, so it does get a bit tricky sometimes trying to create content and upload and edit and everything else that comes with that. So I was struggling a little bit. That's why I think I took a little bit of a break in January, because I was trying to figure out what's best for me. I absolutely love creating this. I really enjoy it. It's like my outlet. But at the same time, I also need to be present for my children and my home and everything else in between. So I had a little bit of a struggle trying to balance everything out, and I just wanted to think what's the best way going forward, because I absolutely adore my channel, and I can't see me stopping creating content. Even when I stopped, I felt so horrible because I love this so much. But anyway, it's been a challenge. So even trying to create content, just this decluttering session, I did it whilst they were taking a nap, and I managed to organize their toys and put them away, and some to be donated and some to be thrown away because they had too many and they were driving me crazy. But yeah, so trying to create content around nap time or whilst the others at school, it's proving a little bit of a challenge sometimes. But I have decided I'm just going to continue uploading twice a week, but sometimes the videos are going to be less than 5 minutes. Some of them will be about 5 minutes, and then I'll do a big massive decluttering video or clean with me video, just to make up for the time that's lost. But I still want to be uploading twice a week because I really I just want to keep this channel going. And it's officially spring, and the spring cleaning has officially begun, so look forward to a big clean with me spring edition video that's going to be coming in the next couple of days. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I know I did take a bit of a break, and I am going to continue because I just needed to find my feet and discover which way is best for me to be present on this channel and be present with my children and be present as a human being, because it's already tough enough. I'm trying to balance everything else, but I think I've managed to find that balance. So the update is I'm going to continue uploading twice a week, but sometimes the videos are going to be a little bit shorter and less than 5 minutes, and sometimes you will get a big massive one. And a big massive one, I'm literally saying I'm going to create like a video which could be like 12 minutes, because some people actually want the longer videos. I have been speaking to you guys on my Instagram, and that's where the chats have been happening. And I absolutely agree. I also have to be mindful to myself as well, and ensure that I'm also giving you guys the best version of myself on this channel, so that you guys can also feel motivated to declutter and clean your homes in a fast and efficient way. So look forward to more content, just a little bit different in the length of the video. But other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, and look forward to more content in the upcoming days. I am going to be more present, like I mentioned over here. But that is the update. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you on the next one. You have a good day. Bye.